The phone that literally made me come back to Android from iOS. Boom! Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. You're watching TechShan, let's take a quick 2-minute dip into it, shall we? Gone are the days when phone boxes were fat. Ever since Apple lost weight, Samsung also wants to get slim. Hey! You get what I mean. Opening up the box, you have the phone, manual, Type-C cable, and the SIM tray ejector pin. Here is the Samsung S23 Ultra cream color in its glory. The best Android flagship money can buy at the moment. With this device, Samsung has gone all out, and having used it close to a week, here is what I think. Build is premium. But it is a super large phone with a boxy look. You have the S Pen for folks who love to write and draw. Front and back, you have the latest Gorilla Glass Victor Store protection. And the device weighs around 234 grams.
Huh?
The 6.8 inches 120Hz dynamic 2x AMOLED display is gorgeous. Eye candy for sure. On the performance, this phone is a monster. Optimized Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, 12GB RAM, UFS 4 storage, Android 13 out of the box, all combined makes this phone fluid and handles anything that you throw at it. Moving on, the talk of the town, the massive 200 megapixel primary camera is cherry on the cake. From shooting the moon to raw photos to 8K videos, it is just wow. Here is a glimpse of the photos that I took. I'll be uploading more samples on my Instagram page, so make sure to follow me there as well. The 5000 mAh battery with 45W fast charging gets you a day. Wireless charging with power share, you got that as well. Fast ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, stereo sound, 5G support, and all necessary sensors you can ask for are packed in. Here is the complete technical specifications for your reference. Pause to read. Guys, I'm loving this device for sure, except that I'm still getting used to the large form factor. I have paired this with the Ring Air case, the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Buds 2 Pro, and now I feel like it will sure take a lot for Apple to pull me back into the ecosystem, which I'm not sure when that'll happen. Until then, let me enjoy this device, and you guys let me know if you have any questions. So that's the S23 Ultra. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys soon in another exciting video. Until then. Guys, this is the front-facing camera of the S23 Ultra. It is pretty